Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm back now. Um, a lot has been going on, so I've been sticking to myself and not playing Star Stable for a while. Because there was a lot of drama going on with this, and just long story short, I'm not in a club anymore because that club was horrible to me. It was good at first, and then just started harassing me and being very disrespectful and hurtful to me, and I didn't deserve that. So I'm having a fresh start now. And I don't think I'm going to be in any clubs for a while, which is a good thing. It's a lot more healthier than rather being in a club. I guess we got a new update. We got a new camping update, and we got some new horse color variations in game now with the Belgian Warmbloods. What else? Appaloosas and Welsh ponies. We're gonna go check that out first before I do the quest with Josh. And apparently there's a new bug now too when you go to feed your horse. So I guess I'm gonna be carrying a load of hay around. But I've been very busy lately. Got 2 new puppies in the family that are helping me with emotional support. Because I've just been going through a lot, and I'm not going to get into details about that. So, yeah. We're going to go to Starshine Ranch, I think, first. I think that's what... Wait. No, hold on. I think the Belgian Warmbloods are still at Silverglade Manor, so we're going to go there first to look at those. Okay. And the game is a bit laggy for me today because I've not been on here for a while. A long time, actually. Because I've been sticking to myself. Ooh. This one's so pretty. Oh, look at the dapples. Ooh. Is that the only one? Wait, no. Isn't there supposed to be some paints? There's supposed to be some paint ones, right? Yeah! Oh my god. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Oh, so adorable. This one looks more like the Trackner that we had. I think Star Stable copied off the Trackner, because that's the same design. Okay, kitty, stop biting my bracelet, please. But yeah, they're really cute. So that's those. And Welsh ponies are at the Hermit's Cottage. But I'm not going over there. I'm just gonna go look at the Appaloosas that are at Starshine. And then I'm gonna get started with the brand new quest. My little puppy. Hi, baby. Hi, puppy baby. Hi. You're supposed to be napping. Your sister's still napping. Oh my god, there's a pile of poo on the floor. Oh, so there's like, oh, there's a lot of quests here. This is different. So we got chores and stores. My goodness, there's horse poo everywhere. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at how pretty! This one almost looks like the one in the App Store. Oh, but this one's so pretty. Oh. And then, where's the other one? No, not that one. I already have that one. No, not that one either. I already have that one. Where is it? This one. Oh my gosh. I love this one. Aww. I want it. I want that one so bad. And the other one. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, we got twinsies now. There's twins over there. Is that rainbow thing still going on, or is that gone? I didn't even bother checking. I don't know. Let me see. I think it's gone. I'm not seeing it on the map now. I think it's gone. Wait, let's see this. Yeah, I think it's gone. Okay, so where's Josh? There he is. My goodness, my game is so laggy for me. Oh, I don't have time to add this in the video. So I guess today's video was only about checking out the new horse variation colors and saying that I'm back. So yeah, hope you liked this video. Leave a like and comment down below what is your favorite thing about this update. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to all so you can be notified when I make a brand new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.